is very clear, and Mike, I think I've expressed that also in the past to you. The MK party is not a progressive political party. It is a reactionary party. The political positions that it had taken in terms of issues around women, you remember some of those terrible comments that Jacob Zuma made about sending young women who fall pregnant to Robben Island. The positions that they've taken on the international diplomatic scene. And yes, I'm concerned about the fact that I've never heard Jacob Zuma speaking about apartheid Israel and what is happening in terms of the genocide in Gaza. And I can go on and on. Presidency, that the leaders of the ANC Youth League were pushed out of the African National Congress. Julius Malema